Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with a bit of a case study I just wanted to present to you today. This particular vehicle, 2008 Volkswagen EOS, had a problem with the electric windows. They were very erratic. They were working, sometimes not working, other times, and doing some strange things. Funny enough, driving into the workshop or driving in, every now and then the windows would want to come down that small gap. So with the pillarless windows, as you cycle the key on and off, the windows will drop a bit to allow you to open the doors. Once they close, it'll go back up again. It was operating that little bit of a drop in the windows whilst we had the car there running. So a bit of a strange one. We went and did some more investigation on it. It ended up being the actual ignition switch. So where the command is that you're switching the car on and off, there's a switch in there that will command for those windows. So in the end, it was actually just a fault in the ignition switch itself. And this is the part number of the switch here that's been replaced on this particular vehicle, and this was actually getting the windows to stop working intermittently, as well as that other operation of the windows dropping those couple of centimetres to allow the door to open and close again. But again, they're the sort of things that are on our website, so any sort of quirky stuff you get with vehicles, make sure you're checking on our repair solutions on our website for these sorts of cases. But a bit of a curly one, but if you come across this sort of stuff with erratic window operation or that dropping of the windows, consider at least checking out that ignition switch on the car. Hope that'll help you out, and see you next time.